Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will learn about SAP UI5 to how to run SAP UI5. So I will install an ID where you run your code. That ID name is Business Application Studio where you write your code of a SAP UI5. First is SAP UI5 is used for to create front-end application, okay, to create web app, and it is used to create front-end part, okay. So so without any delay, guys, make sure to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon, and okay, without any further delay, I start my videos. So I will share the link of a Business Application Studio where you run your code in the description of this video. Okay, first you open this and click on sign in, and here you can see I have already signed here, so I don't need to again sign in, but I will show you some step where you can sign easily. Okay, I have PDF. I create a PDF for you where you can easily sign this. First, when you click on sign in button, if you are not signed earlier, then it requires your email ID where you fill your email ID or your login name. I fill my email ID and click on continue. And here, if you can see carefully, because this size is very small, text size is. So here you can fill your first name, your last name, and your country name, and your safe universal ID email. Your personal email ID you can fill here, and your password, and you fill your re-enter password, and click on here tick sign mark and click on submit. When you submit this page, then next page is come. This page is come where please check your email and enter the code below. When you fill your email ID, then in your email ID you will, in your mail or Gmail, you get the code like OTP code, and this code is valid for 10 minutes. After that it will expire. So you can check the, you can see this, we send an email to your mail ID containing a verification code. Okay, so please check your email ID, and the code which you get, please please enter in this boxes. 6-digit code you get in your email ID and click on submit button. Okay, after clicking on submit button, next page is come where you can see this, you are all set with SAP Universal ID. Your login ID is this. Okay, and you can now close this browser window. Okay, and you can again sign in, and you can sign out because it tell you that you are logged out from your SAP Universal ID and on all SAP platform. Okay, and then with the help of that link which I will provide in the description of this video, again you will sign on that link when you are sign out, and again you again sign in on that link. Okay, When you sign in again and fill your email id and then password you which you create earlier, fill that password here and click on sign in button. If you forget your password, click on forget password button as well. Okay, and here it's required that your phone number. Okay, you can fill your phone number here and click here term and condition and click on save and continue. Okay, phone number is must required. Without phone number you can't create SAP business application studio id. Okay, I fill here phone number and click on continue. Then page is loading, and here it asks to select anyone option. You can select a US East VA AWS. Okay, and here you can see this processing, and after processing this continue button will be enabled and you can click on this. Okay, this continue button is enabled and you can click on here continue button. Then this screen you will get. Okay, because your account is created in base SAP ID. Okay, and after this I will show you here. So I am come here to my ID, click on trial home, page is loading, and go to trial account. And I already selected region is US East VA. Okay, and click on trial and click here two option entitlement and instances and subscription. So you must select instance and subscription. This is a free trial. And here status is subscribe. I subscribe on 13 November. Okay, and click on here SAP Business Application Studio. So you can see this is running, but in your business application studio this is stop. So you click on this button, and when you click on this button the status is running is showing here, and it will take I think 4 3 to 4 minutes or maybe less minutes it will take, and you can give patience on that time. And after 2 or 2 minutes it's showing your status running. Okay, you click on here and then on that time it show your status starting, and after that after 2 minutes it will show your status running. Okay, after when your status is changed from starting to running, click on trial dev and it's loading business application studio. Okay, okay, in this way you can download your SAP UI5 ID, and I will show you how to create a file in SAP UI5 ID. Okay, but I will tell you in the next video. Okay, I hope the guys you like this video to download SAP UI5 ID, and I think it this video really helpful for you. So if you have any query for downloading purpose you can ask feel free to ask in the comment section. I will definitely reply back to you. Okay, thank you for watching.